In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access Telegram Cloud. By the end, you'll know exactly where your personal cloud space lives inside Telegram, how to add files to it, how syncing works across devices, and how to export your data from the desktop app. First, open Telegram. The easiest place to access your cloud storage is a built-in chat called Saved Messages. You can get to it in two quick ways. Either open the main menu, the three horizontal lines in the corner, and tap Saved Messages, or simply use the search bar at the top of Telegram and type Saved Messages to jump straight there. Think of this chat as your private always available workspace. Anything you drop here stays tied to your account and follows you wherever you sign in. Now, let's add something to the cloud. You can upload files up to 2 GB each into Saved Messages. On mobile, open Saved Messages. Tap the attachment or paperclip icon and pick photos, videos, documents, or other files you want to store. On desktop, you can click the attachment icon or just drag and drop files right into the chat window. Telegram will upload your items to the cloud and you'll see progress as they go. For large uploads, a stable internet connection helps a lot. And naming your files clearly will make them easier to find later using Telegram's powerful search. Because Telegram is cloud-based, everything in Saved Messages and your other chats stays synchronized automatically. When you log in on any phone or computer, your data appears without any manual transfers. Add a file on your phone, then open Telegram on your computer, and you'll see it ready to view or download. The same applies the other way around. Keep in mind that big files may take a moment to become available as they upload or download, so give them time to finish transferring before you try to open them. If you ever want an offline copy of your cloud data, the desktop app includes a built-in exporter. In Telegram Desktop, go to Settings, then Advanced, and choose Export Telegram Data. This tool lets you generate a local archive of your messages and media so you can store a backup on your computer. After you start the export, wait for it to complete. Then open the folder it creates to access your files. That's it. Thanks for watching.